Without an aim, how do we have a sense of direction? Without meaning, how do we have a sense of purpose? Without challenge, how do we gain a sense of achievement? The short answer is we don't. Without direction, we get stuck, depressed, and we suffer from a lack of motivation. Without purpose, we despair of meaning in life, a need that is deeply ingrained in us. Why do you think we love movies? We love stories. We love the idea of good defeating evil. In this day and age, we're spending so much time observing meaningful living or people overcoming challenges and pushing their limits at a loss of our own stories. Our own lives are on hold. Where's the meaning and purpose in that? We need to bring back meaningful, purposeful, accomplished, and inspirational living. Without a challenge, a battle to win, a habit to defeat, or doing something that truly matters, we get depressed. We have no sense of progress. We lose hope and inspiration. Without meaning, we feel empty, and this can lead to despair as well, because life is meant to be meaningful and purposeful. Do you ever feel like, I have more potential than this? There's more to me than where I'm at now. A deep sense of I'm meant for more. There's got to be more to life. The truth is, you're designed for a purpose. The unique, amazing person that you are. You were born for this age, created from a meaningful purpose. You're here for a reason. There is more to life, and your dissatisfaction is your greatest invitation to level up. It's your invitation to get out of feeling stuck. It's also a warning that if you stay where you are, in need of direction, in need of hope, in need of inspiration, motivation, and meaningful existence, this pain will increase until you do something about it. It is ultimately your choice. Well, are you ready to be inspired for a better future? To take the next step in life and level up? To discover your meaningful purpose? To reach for goals that really matter? It doesn't matter how big or small your goal is, and it doesn't matter if you're unclear on what you actually want. It doesn't matter if you've been let down by goal setting before. It doesn't matter if you're afraid of failing. Turn fear on itself and let it motivate you towards good things. It doesn't matter if you have 50 objections to setting goals and 50 more obstacles to overcome along the way. What matters is that your little voice inside you is saying, I'm sick of feeling this way. I want change. And I'm actually convinced that it's time. Let's do this. I'm here to coach you through the whole process from beginning to podium finish.